Did you know that the Madeira Islands, often dubbed as Europe's Hawaii, are actually the tip of a massive submerged mountain range? Nestled in the Atlantic Ocean, just off the coast of Morocco, Madeira is a remarkable geographical marvel. Its lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and breathtaking mountain terrains echo the beauty of Hawaii, thus earning it the nickname Europe's Hawaii. But here's the kicker. Each charming peak and valley you see is just the very top of an underwater mountain range. That's right, Madeira is much more than just an island, it's the peak of an underwater mountain. This video will be exploding with great tips and stunning locations you definitely not want to miss, so make sure to stay until the end of this video. Now that you know the secret beneath the surface, let's dive into why Madeira is a must-visit destination. Madeira, often referred to as the Hawaii of Europe, is a treasure trove of enchanting experiences. This stunning island has something for everyone, from its diverse and unique flora and fauna to its vibrant culture and delectable cuisine. Let's start with the natural wonders. Madeira is a botanical paradise teeming with exotic flowers, plants, and trees that you won't find anywhere else in the world. The island is home to the largest surviving area of Laurisilva Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which offers an incredible opportunity to walk among ancient towering trees. And let's not forget the island's fauna. From the rare Xenos petrelbird to the monk seals basking on the coast, Madeira's wildlife is as captivating as its floral display. Next up, the landscapes. Madeira's terrain is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine towering cliffs dropping dramatically into the cerulean Atlantic Ocean, lush valleys crisscrossed by levadas, and mountain peaks reaching for the skies. The island's topography lends itself to an array of outdoor activities. You can hike along the levadas, go canyoning in the river valleys, or simply relax on the golden sandy beaches. Now let's talk about the vibrant culture. Madeira's rich history has resulted in a tapestry of traditions and customs that are proudly preserved by the locals. From folk music and dance to the colorful festivals like the Flower Festival and the Atlantic Festival, there is always something happening in Madeira. And lastly, the cuisine. Madeira's gastronomy reflects its maritime heritage and the bounty of its fertile soils. Indulge in the island's signature black scabbard fish, paired with a glass of Madeira wine, or try the espetada, a traditional beef skewer seasoned with garlic and bay leaves. One of the most appealing aspects of Madeira is the warm and welcoming nature of the locals. The Madeiran people are known for their hospitality, always ready with a smile and a helping hand. From its breathtaking views to its rich culture, Madeira offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you yearning for more. Impressed already? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to share some top tips and recommendations for your Madeira adventure. Firstly, Madeira is a hiker's paradise with its diverse and stunning landscapes. From the verdant laurel forest to the majestic Pico Ruivo, there's a trail for every level of fitness and bravery. And don't forget to take a leisurely walk along the levadas, a network of mini canals with picturesque paths alongside. Next, you simply can't go to Madeira without tasting the island's namesake wine. Visit one of the many traditional wineries, where you can sample the sweet and complex flavors of Madeira wine. It's a taste sensation you won't forget. Also, exploring the local markets is a must. The Mercado dos Lavradores in Funchal is a sensory overload with its vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and bustling atmosphere. Mingle with locals, try exotic fruits, and perhaps pick up some traditional embroidery. When it comes to travel tips, the best time to visit Madeira is arguably in the spring, when the flowers are in full bloom. However, its mild climate makes it a great year-round destination. Be respectful of local customs like dressing modestly when visiting religious sites, and don't forget to pack comfortable shoes for all that hiking, a swimsuit for the beautiful beaches, and a camera to capture the island's breathtaking scenery. With these tips and recommendations, you're all set for an amazing Madeira adventure. Alright, just as we are about to wrap this up, we have one more bonus tip. If you enjoyed this trip to Madeira, make sure to watch these exciting videos that you might like as well. We have plenty more exciting adventures and guides for you to check out from the comfort of your home. Dream away and explore big cities and beautiful national parks around the world. And remember, keep exploring and stay adventurous.